If you're
We talk
dating a
about
guy,
it.
you talk about sex.
I have to. I ask you, are you circumcised or not? Right?
Okay.
Nenkubuuza, normally babuuza. Nze anyway for abali mu flatting biki. Nakubuuza style ki gy'osinga okwagala. N'omugamba nze njagala missionary. Nze njagala eno n'eno. Ne mukivaako. For real.
Wow.
N'omubuuza oyagala like nga do you want kinky oba gundi? N'ogamba a bit of kinky.
Kinky what?
Maybe kinky sex.
Okay.
Kinky sex is
Okay. No.
What is
No. Okay. Just let us first.
What is
Buli
kinky?
muntu ali eyo, put down your glass. Let us rewind. So
kinky bananas and beans.
first look at no. That's what I also thought.
Hey.
And actually, the second thing that came to my mind was about knickers. Kinky knickers. So what is kinky?
Kinky sex obimanyi.
Yeah, I don't. I'm hearing. Hey, where are you?
Nenkwata kuma nekateka ku nywanto yo.
That is kinky.
Kinky sex kando
Like,
nenkwata
ne mwetonyezako kando.
Ebyo kinky sex. Oh yeah.
But that's mighty bakaita kinky.
Kinky.
Okuyiga tekugwayo. So you love kinky sex?
I'm just saying,
No, I'm just asking like you.
exploring. No, I'm just saying you talk
So
about
what do you do with the wounds?
So,
I know what you want.
So let me try to understand this.
Something
Dodo.
bad.
So like you'd prick someone on the nipple with a pin because you guys are.
And I see how you mourn.
Oh
If you
wow.
don't mourn, if you don't make any sound, ngamanya ndo simusobola.
Oh wow. Okay. Bless me. So let's. Okakuba mwaka fana. Okay. So the word for those things is kinky.
Kinky.
Where you put on handcuffs.
Crazy, you
ABCP.
know. Yeah.
Now we how it
Crazy sex, yeah.
there's something you talked about. You ask a man if they're circumcised.
Yeah, or not.
You do so you prefer the circumcised or not?
No, circumcised.
You change
I
your
do.
mind.
You wouldn't.
Yeah.
You wouldn't
yeah.
bank a guy that's not circumcised.
Ama, that's what you wish.
Okay, they used to tell me mbuno babeda warm.
The uncircumcised.
Yeah. But then as you grow, I don't know.
Your preferences change.